Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to set up a Discord server. Well, to do that, open your Discord application, then log in to your account. Now, to create a Discord server, start by navigating to the Discord dashboard and click the green plus button to get started at the left side. Now, so in here, just click the create my own and choose if it is for me and my friends or for a club or community. Then upload here your photo and rename your server. To invite friends to your server, click invite your friends and Discord will provide a link to your server that you can copy and send to anyone you want to invite. So click invite your friends. Then you can see now the server link here. And that's how to set up a Discord server. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.